Hi, welcome to Market Technology Flex, and today we're talking about technical analysis. Let's dive in. With stock market investing, many people feel like they are at a disadvantage. It's difficult to understand all the terminology and technical analysis involved in making smart investment choices. However, with a little education, you can become confident in your ability to make informed decisions about your stock portfolio. In this beginner's guide to technical analysis, we'll discuss the basics of stock market investing and provide you with all the information you need to get started. For most, it is important to understand that stock prices are determined by supply and demand. When there is more buying pressure than selling pressure, stock prices will rise. When there is more selling pressure than buying pressure, stock prices will fall. Therefore, it is so important to pay attention to stock market news and understand what is driving stock prices up or down. One of the most commonly used tools in technical analysis is charting. By looking at stock price charts, you can identify patterns that give you clues about future stock price movements. For example, if a stock price has been rising for the past few months, it's likely that this trend will continue. If a stock's price has been falling for a sustained period, it is likely that this trend will continue as well. Another important tool in technical analysis is support and resistance levels. These are points on a stock chart where the stock price has had difficulty breaking through in the past. If the stock price is approaching a resistance level, it is likely that it will have difficulty breaking through this level again. If the stock price is approaching a support level, it is likely that it will find support at this level and bounce back up. By understanding these basic concepts of technical analysis, you can make more informed decisions about which stocks to buy and sell. However, it is important to remember that stock prices are changing and nothing is ever guaranteed. The best way to become a successful investor is to educate yourself as much as possible and always monitor the market. When researching stocks, be sure to look out for the stock's ticker symbol, the stock's price, the stock's volume, the stock's 52-week high and low, the stock's P/E ratio, the stock's market capitalization, the company's earnings per share, and analyst ratings for the stock. These are just a few basic things to look for, but they will give you a good starting point when trying to understand a particular stock. There is no perfect formula for stock investing, but by doing your research and staying up to date on the latest market news, you can put yourself in a position to make informed and successful investment choices. With technical analysis, there are dozens of different indicators that can predict future stock price movements. However, it is important to remember that no indicator is perfect and stock prices can still move in a direction that is not expected. The best way to become a successful investor is to use a variety of different technical indicators and always stay up to date on the latest market news. There you have it, a beginner's guide to understanding technical analysis. By following these steps, we hope you'll be on your way to becoming a successful stock market investor. Thanks for watching and good luck. We'll see you in the next one.